I'm going to explain controlling in management so simply you'll never forget it. Give me 2 minutes. So, what is controlling? Controlling means checking if work is going as planned. Managers set goals. Then they check if the team is meeting those goals. If not, they fix the problem. Types of controlling. 1. Feedforward control. This happens before work starts. You check resources, plans, and risks in advance. Example, checking raw material quality before production. 2. Concurrent control. This happens while work is going on. You monitor tasks in real time. Example, a supervisor watching workers on the shop floor. 3. Feedback control. This happens after work is done. You check the final results and compare with the goal. Example, reviewing monthly sales reports. Why controlling is important? It helps achieve organizational goals. It finds mistakes early. It makes sure resources are not wasted. It keeps employees accountable. It helps managers make better decisions. It improves overall quality of work. Without controlling, plans stay only on paper. Nothing gets checked. Nothing improves. Let's discuss the step-by-step process of controlling. Step 1. Set standards. Decide what good performance looks like. This can be sales numbers, quality levels, or time limits. Step 2. Measure performance. Check actual work done. Use reports, data, or direct observation. Step 3. Compare performance with standards. See the gap between what was planned and what actually happened. Step 4. Find the cause. If there's a gap, find out why. Was it lack of training? Poor planning? Step 5. Take corrective action. Fix the problem. This can mean retraining staff, changing methods, or adjusting the plan itself. Step 6. Follow up. Check again after fixing the issue. Make sure the correction actually worked. This cycle repeats. Controlling is not a one-time job. It runs continuously as long as the organization runs. If you want to read it in detail or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.